In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a habit tracker in Notion. We're going to build a simple and practical system that helps you record your daily habits, measure your progress, and visually review how consistent you've been over time. The goal here is to make your tracker easy to maintain because the best habit tracker is one you'll actually use every day. To begin, create a new page in Notion for your habit tracker. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. This page will act as the main space where all your habit tracking information lives. So think of it as your personal dashboard for daily consistency. Once the page is ready, add a database to track your daily habits. A table view works especially well for this because it gives you a clean, organized layout. Each row can represent a day, and that makes it easy to scan your entries over time. Keeping everything in a database also gives you access to useful features like sorting, filtering, and formulas. Next, add habit properties using checkboxes. Each checkbox Sauce can represent one habit you want to complete, such as drinking water, exercising, reading, or meditating. Checkboxes are ideal because they make it very quick to mark a habit as done, and they also work well with formulas later on. Try to keep your list focused on habits that really matter to you, especially when you're first building the tracker. After that, add a date property for each day. This is important because it allows you to identify exactly which habits were completed on which date. It also makes your tracker much easier to review later, especially if you want to look back on patterns or monitor consistency over a longer period. Now create formulas to calculate your progress. These formulas can count how many habits were completed in a given day and help turn that into a simple progress value. This gives you a quick summary without needing to manually calculate anything yourself, which saves time and keeps the tracker efficient. Then add a progress bar or graph style visual using formulas. This creates an easy to read representation of your daily completion rate. A visual indicator is helpful because it lets you understand your progress at a glance without having to read through every checkbox. From there, update the tracker every day. Daily use is what makes this system valuable, so consistency matters more than perfection. Even taking a few seconds to check off your habits can help reinforce the routine. Finally, review your graph to see your habit consistency. This is where the tracker becomes especially useful because you're not just recording actions, you're learning from them. Over time, those patterns can help you stay motivated and make better decisions about your routines.